Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a ReelShort hack. So as you can see, I got unlimited. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So unlimited coins for iOS and Android and everything like that is up to you. So go to this site, guys, and it is called Mods. So let me just type it in. It's a really cool website and they have the ReelShort hack. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar, type in ReelShort, and sure enough, there's the ReelShort mod. So press on that, wait for it to download, and then you have it installed. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to go through with it again. But if you go to the App Store and you type in ReelShort, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I don't really participate in this. So as you can see, when we go in-app purchases, you can see it's very expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try us out. It's super cool. So yeah, all you got to do is go to Mods. You're going to be all set. So peace out, guys. This is insane, and it is totally working, as you can see right there. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if this video works, you guys definitely go and share it. It's super cool. This is a totally updated video for you guys. So it's super awesome, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, peace out, guys. This is so crazy, and it's on all devices and platforms too, which is crazy. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is insane. So yeah, all you have to do is go to Mods and then just type in ReelShort, and you should be all set. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah, subscribe, my dudes, and dudettes. This is so cool. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is crazy. It's legit. I'm just trying to educate the public, you know, get y'all into the know-how, the no-no of the madness inside this ReelShort hack. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. It fully works. So peace out, guys. This is awesome. You're broke? Try this method. It is so cool. It's a fully like-minded video for you guys. So peace out, my dudes.